Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're making another dish that is perfect for any gathering. It is a marinated cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. So I want to thank all my amazing viewers for the support that you give my channel, and it means the world to me. So with that out of the way, let's grab our ingredients and let's make marinated cucumber, tomato, and onion salad. For our marinated cucumber, tomato, and onion salad, you're going to need the following: water, white vinegar, oil, sugar, fresh black pepper, cucumbers, tomatoes, and a red onion. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do is we need to get our vegetables all chopped up, and we're going to cut these into slices of about 1/4 inch. And so I've got a mandolin set to the side for us to do that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Now that we have our vegetables all sliced up, we're going to move on to getting our marinade made. So we have our water in a large or small bowl, and to this we are going to add in our sugar, our vinegar, and our oil. All right. We're going to give this a good whisk. We want this to get fully blended. And then we're going to add some fresh cracked black pepper. In my book, the more the better. Now that we got our marinade ready, we're going to go ahead and put the ingredients together for our salad. So now that we've got everything together, we are going to take our marinade, make sure we give it a good stir, and then pour it over everything. And now we're going to get our vegetables all covered in our marinade. Get everything all mixed up. Oh, there we go. Already making a mess. And now we're going to cover this with plastic wrap, and we're going to place this in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. So this has been sitting in the fridge for 2 hours. So we're going to give everything a good mix. Oh my God, I love this dish. So let's go ahead and get us some. I'm a big veggie fan, so there we go. All right, now let's set this over here to the side. Love this. Hang in the vinegar, a little sweetness from the sugar. Oh yeah, keeper. So definitely need to make this for any gathering. So I want to thank y'all for watching, and let me know if you try this recipe. Leave your comments below. And so until next time, I hope everybody has a great day and enjoy cooking in the kitchen. So I'm going to finish up this bowl, and I'll see you next time.